What you want to do to K-Cam?
What you mean what I want to do? I'm going to be a Bob Dog.
Okay. I think he likes that. You got him smiling. You got him smiling, grinning, blushing. He blushing.
Dre Sherman, no type. It's 101.1 The Wiz, Cincinnati's #1 for hip-hop and R&B. Home of the Rush Part Morning Show, Young Steph in the building. Now, we have a caller on the phone line who's claiming they slept with K-Camp Sunday night when he was in Cincinnati. What's your name, caller?
You know who it is, Young Steph. It's your girl,
Come on. Keisha, though?
Yeah, what you mean, Keisha, though, Steph? You see me Sunday night.
I did see you in the club Sunday night. We let you in VIP.
You let me in VIP, you know, and I was with K-Camp, you feel me?
Yeah, but
I tried to feel on something, but he ain't had no baby leg, but I'm like, whatever.
Okay, wow. But I didn't see you leave with K-Camp, though.
You did. And we went downtown to the Hilton, back to the telly, and it was just the worst I ever had in my life. Like, I don't think he cut people off. I think he gets cut off.
Oh, my God. Keisha, did you sleep with him or not? Be real with me.
Duh,